Okay, we were at our friend's house, and here's the heat pump. It is a Ruud, and that's the dog barking at neighbor dog. Achiever 10 SEER heat pump. I believe the air handler's under the house. It is two-bladed. It's Ruud. Manufacture date 10/2001, so it's a 01 unit. Model UPKA 025JAZ. Even though it says it's an air conditioner, it says it's a heat pump. Serial 6388 M401. Then it's 1007. That's the serial number. Again, the serial number is 6388 M401 10007. Single phase R22 refrigerant. There's her dog, a something terrier boy redo. And there's all the refrigerant lines. Suction line's not insulated. I bet you the air handler's under the house. I think there's the square D box. Water heater's under the house also. The crawl space door's locked. It's a Ruud Achiever 10. And I'm trying to make this video quick, and the concrete pad's cracked. Here's the back of the coil, and it was actually running when I came out here. It was running, but it shut off. It's in cool mode because it's like in the 80s out. And I'm going to keep the camera going because right there is a Fetters, little Fetters wall unit. And I'm just going to keep the camera going. Go inside. If you hear people talking in the background, don't mind it. Here it is, Fetters. I think it's a straight cool unit. Yeah, anyways, over and out.